So if you're missing a crunch on keto or carnivore that has excellent macros, you got to make this. No joke, y'all. Okay, y'all, so for those of you who joined me the other day, we made our biscuits into waffles, chaffles, and they were crispy as all get out. So what I'm doing right now is I have leftovers from yesterday and I'm heating them up in my waffle maker and they're getting crispy again. I just want to let you know that you can reheat them. They will get crispy, not as crispy, but they still work. When you first take them out of the waffle maker or the toaster, they will not be as crispy, but they will crisp up upon sitting. And now we're going to make them into some tacos, little taco bites. So that's what we're doing right now. So I'm just letting, these ones I've already reheated and they're just cooling because when you first take them out, they're more bendy, but as they cool, they will crisp up a bit. They're always best fresh, but they will crisp up when they sit there. Let's make a little taco bite. You got to be careful of how long you leave them in the waffle maker or the toaster because they will get really brown. So, you know, this total milk protein gets brown easy. So you don't want them to get black. That would not be good. I have not tried freezing these, but they work great reheated from the fridge. That looks really good, you guys. Yum! All right, so we're going to taste one now. Hopefully, y'all can hear how crispy. I lost so many toppings. Well, really good. Messy but good. So that is leftover. Still crispy. These things are wonderful. So if you're missing a crunch on keto or carnivore that has excellent macros, you got to make this. No joke, y'all.